The installation process is also very easy once you have MetaTrader 5 platform already installed on your computer. If you know how to install MT5 indicators, you can skip this part and go straight to the strategy explanation. This part is made for new traders who are not familiar with MetaTrader 5 platform. If you are one of those, follow my steps on the screen to quickly set your charts like mine. First step is to open all the 4 boom crash index markets, then set the charts to 1 minute time frame. Copy the necessary indicators provided. On the top left corner, click on File on your MT5 platform. Then scroll down and click on Open Data folder. Go down and open MQL5 to access the indicators folder. Double-click to open the indicators folder and paste your MT5 files on that folder. On your MT5 platform, click on View, then scroll down to open the Navigator panel. Right-click to refresh the MT5 platform so that you can load new installed indicators. Double-click on the indicator so that you can load it on the MT5 platform. For example, the RSI strike indicator, there is no additional settings added. Press OK to attach the chart. Add the other extra indicators to help you in your technical analysis. Add the trend impulse indicator, it helps you determine the strength, direction, and duration of a trend. Add the WT supercolored moving average, it provides for an opportunity to detect various peculiarities and patterns in price dynamics, which are invisible to the naked eye. On top of that, it also helps to smooth out price action by filtering out the noise from random price fluctuations. Add the candle timer to keep watch on the candle expiry time. Add supply and demand indicator, it will give you an overview of the market, the underlying buying and selling pressure. All has been set up now. Chart is ready for technical analysis to begin taking trades based on the signals given by the RSI strike indicator. We look for sell signals on boom index market. Of course, we don't take trades on all the arrows given. We use 2 indicators to filter bad arrows, trend impulse indicator and colored WT moving average. In a boom market index, only take a sell trade when you get the red arrow and the trend impulse indicator is showing a red color, indicating a strong downtrend momentum. From this trade, you can see what happens when you take a trade against the current market direction. Chances of a spike wiping you out are very high compared to if you follow the market direction. This logic applies on both boom 1000 and boom 500 index markets. This here is an example of a perfect trade. Everything is showing uptrend, perfect conditions for taking a buy position for 5 candles trade duration. Here is another very accurate buy signal to consider. The trend impulse is showing a strong uptrend, the colored moving average is green, meaning the trend is going up. When you see such a setup, don't hesitate to take a buy trade. This here is an example of a bad trade. Everything about this setup is wrong. Avoid such setups to save yourself from the jaws of the unexpected spike. The trend impulse is showing downtrend momentum, the WT moving average is showing a red color which indicates a strong downtrend. In this case, our red arrow signal is obsolete, not relevant. Don't even entertain the thought of executing a trade on this type of market conditions. As you can see, this is a winning trade. Remember, we only stay on a trade for 3 to 5 minutes, then we take our profit and run, waiting for the next trade setup. Now, since you have all the logic needed, let me find a good trade that I can open, following the rules of the strategy that I explained. The yellow arrow is a preparation signal. It means the red arrow signal is a few minutes away. Get ready to execute a trade when you see the yellow arrow. Take a trade immediately you see the red arrow appear. The trend impulse indicator is showing a red reversal signal. The colored moving average is showing red, indicating a very strong downtrend direction. This kind of setups are called trend reversal patterns, and they are up to 89% probability that your trade will close in the money before a spike happens. We got our first red arrow sell signal on boom 1000 index market. I will enter this trade for 3 to 5 minutes trade duration, using 0.5 lots for a start. I will set the stop loss at the top of the arrow to prevent the unexpected spike from causing more damage. I will hold this trade for 5 minutes and see how the trade runs, but I am 89% sure that the trade will close in the money. Let's switch up to some music as we wait for the trade to close. 5 minutes are over, trade has been closed in profit. The trick is to take short-term trades. Here is another trade on Crash 500 index market. The yellow arrow tells you to prepare your chart to enter a buy trade. The trend impulse is showing upward momentum, the colored moving average is showing a green color indicating an upward direction. This kind of pattern gives 95% probability that the current trade will close in the money. You can also add your own technical analysis to boost the win rate using this strategy. For example, I use the trend line to pinpoint the retracement levels. This helps me in finding the most profitable entry points with minimal risk. The red arrow buy signal has appeared. I took the trade immediately. I will hold this trade for 5 minutes or 5 candlesticks expiry time. Watch and see how the trade runs. 95% chance the trade will close in profit. I closed the trade in profit of $4. Using big lots instead of long-term trades will help a lot in maximizing your profits within a short time. It also minimizes your chances of getting a loss. We have another perfect signal here. First things to check is the trend momentum using the trend impulse indicator. It's red and showing downtrend direction. The colored moving average is also red indicating strong downtrend movement. This kind of setup is 95% accurate that our trade will close in the money. Seeing is believing. $12 in profit so far, no loss experienced yet. It's a good head start. I am trading on my real account to prove to you that this strategy is effective enough to help you make good profit daily on Boom Crash Index market. The strategy suitable for both beginner traders and professional traders alike. When a spike happens, it's most likely you will get a signal within the next few minutes. It's recommended that you stay on your chart, especially if the setup looks like it will be profitable, like this one here. These kind of setups trigger my trading curiosity. We got the preparation signal. Execute the trade when you get a red arrow signal. Make sure your trades have enough margin. Most preferable margin level is 1000% and up. With this kind of margin you will be able to hold your trades with confidence, even in the face of a spike. If you have watched this far and haven't already subscribed to my trading community, please hit the red subscribe button and join our ultimate trading family and get exclusive access to more upcoming trading strategies and tools to help you boost your trading IQ. Like expected, the trade reached the target take profit. Here is another good buy trade. Be cautious when you take these type of trade setups. Because only the lower part of the trend impulse is green, indicating a trend reversal, the other part is showing downward momentum, because that's the underlying current trend direction. On this kind of situation, your win will depend on the power of the reversal. This is an example of a swing trade. Take these types of trades if you have deep understanding of the market price action, but I am confident because the colored moving average is showing green indicating a strong bullish reversal. Train yourself to take calculated risks. This is the 6th trade to close in profit with zero loss. This is not by luck or coincidence. I call this accurate technical analysis. You will be getting many trade setups per day. Train yourself to find the best patterns to maximize your win rate. Take profit has been reached. $20 profit. The day is still young. Let's find some more good setups. Here is another good buy signal. This is a trend reversal type of trade with 85% probability that the trade will close in profit. You can always monitor the trades using your smartphone MT5 mobile application. You can use it to swiftly close your running trades. The red signal at the zero line of the trend impulse is very accurate. Always hunt for such setups. Always confirm the trend with an extra trend indicator, and in this case I'm using the colored moving average, but you can also use your best trend filtering indicator. Another trade closed in profit, 8 trades in profit so far. Try this strategy, guys. It works. You just have to practice a little bit and you will develop an instinct to look for profitable trades, and most of the times you will win. Here is another enticing trade. I have confirmed that all the conditions are met. I always have confidence while entering all my trades. Don't ever doubt yourself when entering a trade. Be 100% sure with your analysis. And leave everything else to price action to decide your fate. As you can see, our buy trade has reached the take profit level with ease. It's not easy to blow your account with this strategy. If you use good money management, you will always be in profit, even when you encounter unexpected spikes along the way. Here is another tempting trade. I will take the trade. You never know the outcome until you take the trade. And by the look of my setup, I have 85% probability that my trade will close in the money. Within 5 minutes expiry. Fingers closed. Enemy has finally decided to reveal himself. The spike. It damaged me $8 at an instant. But it's okay because I had already made $36 and now I'm back to $28. This spike is our inevitable enemy. You must devise a way to evade the spike by all means. When I get a strategy or an indicator that can help us evade the spikes with 99% accuracy, I will surely share with you guys. Meanwhile, you have to face the spike like a pro trader that you are. Good trading results despite of that spike that caught us unexpectedly. I will try to re-enter the trade on the same market with a double lot to try and recover my previous loss. Martingale trading is recommended if you have a strong trading account and the conditions are right for re-entering a trade. Here goes my 2-lot trade. I have risked more than I should. The margin should never go below 1000% margin level, but today I'm feeling lucky. Let's find out. Guarantee you 100% win rate while using this strategy. In fact, if you are not careful enough with your technical analysis, you might make some losses with this strategy, while someone else will use it and make profit. It all depends on how much you practice and know how to find the best patterns to maximize your profits. This is my last trade of this trading session. The Martingale trade closed with $8 profit. That's a recovery of our previous trade that was caught by the spike. I have taken 11 trades with 10 wins and 1 loss total trade entries. I made $36 within 6 hours of trading, by just hunting for perfect trading patterns, and you can do it too. Live trading of max profit EA on volatility 75-1S index. This is just a small recap to show you that the EA is still working and profitable. That's it for this video. Thank you for your time. I hope this strategy will help you to maximize your profits daily.